This is Katura with BlueNotary, and today we're going to be looking at signing a quitclaim deed. A quitclaim deed lets someone quit or give up their ownership in a property without guaranteeing that they actually own it or that the title is clear. So, key points for notaries: you don't explain or guarantee what's being transferred. You're only there to verify the signer's identity and willing signature. The signer must appear before you and acknowledge that they are signing voluntarily. Do not fill in the property details for them. The grantor or the person transferring the property or their attorney must do that. You just make sure that the notarial section is complete and correct, and make sure to check ID carefully. These documents can have big financial or ownership consequences. So looking at this document in this session, it's already been filled out and it looks like it's ready to sign. So for this session, we have the grantor, which is Simone, and we also have two witnesses who have been chosen. So we have Owen and Theo. So we can start dropping their signature line since everything else is filled out. So I'm going to drag and drop for a signature. I'm going to start with Owen. I'm going to put that here. Witness 1 signature. I'm going to press S hotkey for Simone's signature. And I'm going to put that here. And for the second witness, Theo, I'm going to press S hotkey. And I'm going to choose Theo and put that here. Now here in my portion, after I've given the oath to Simone and she's answered clearly in the affirmative, I want to put a check mark here since we are doing a remote online notarization. And I click there and a check appears. And I want to put today's date. So let's put a D hotkey. So I'm going to choose a D hotkey for the date and put that here. And here for by, I want to put Simone's name. So I'm just going to type in Simone Rodriguez. And now I can drop my signature. So I'm going to press S for signature, choose, and I'm going to adopt this signature. Put that here. I can type my name. And I want to put that Simone produced identification for this session. So I'm going to check here. So here I can put the type of identification that Simone produced. To find that, I will go to Menu and go to Participant ID and Status, where I can see a picture of the ID that Simone gave. For this, let's just say I'm going to put that she put a Florida driver license. And now I can drop my seal. Want to make sure I do that. I'm going to put it right here in this nice space for me. And I'm going to ask Simone if this document looks complete and correct to her before I complete the session. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.